This video is a 10-day challenge. I have challenged myself to build a successful print-on-demand company in 10 days without spending a penny on advertising. And this has been really tough because I've been doing this alongside having a full-time job. I just want to show everyone that it's possible. This video is part 1, going over the first 2 days of the challenge. Part 2 will be out next week and we'll go over the remaining 8 days of this challenge. In this video, we're going to be covering the most important aspects of setting up a print-on-demand business. With print-on-demand on the rise, I wanted to see, is it still possible for someone to get sales if they start from scratch today?
Excuse me, spoiler alert!
After watching this video, you are going to be able to set up your own successful print-on-demand side hustle business. This is going to be a really tough challenge. Let's write down the whole plan. Each aspect is incredibly important and can't be ignored. A quick throwback to my video 4 weeks ago, where I went over the brand new idea of creating a wall art store using Getty Images or Shutterstock. Well, now I'm going to do it, but not only am I going to do it, I'm going to show you how you can do it so you can start making money too. The niche I'm going to pick is the space and astronomy niche. I love these photos and I want to see if this unique idea can be successful with an untested random niche. Now I need to pick 30 to 50 designs. It sounds like a lot, but when we use the Shutterstock and Getty Images integration with Gelato Plus, it should only take a few minutes to find. Once signing up for a free account on Gelato and then upgrading to Gelato Plus, we can go to products and have a look at the library of images. It's vast. I specifically didn't want to design products myself for this challenge. 1, it would take way too long to design 30 to 50 designs, and 2, I really want to test out using Gelato Plus and the huge stock imagery you get with it. Let's see if it's actually worth it. With the new marketing plan I want to implement, we're going to need at least 30 photos, and the more we have, the more successful and easier it will be. You'll see. It's now day 2. The to-do list is absolutely crazy today. I want to get everything ready to go by the end of the day so that I can get started on the marketing. 8 solid days of marketing isn't much when you're not paying, so I've got to work fast. I've got a lot of stuff happening today, so let's go and get started with the first task. Signing up for Shopify. I'll start with a trial and then go for their basic plan, which is $29 a month. I'm picking Shopify because I want full control of my site. I won't be surrounded by competition. I'll have higher profit margins, and I want to see if I can make back the cost of a Shopify membership and then some profit on top. After signing up for Shopify, I need to pick a website name. Even though I'm going for a space theme, I'm going to pick a more generic name for the website so I can eventually sell all sorts of wall art. You know, like a blob of paint. Now we just have to connect that domain and mess with a few settings. First is shipping. We want to set it to worldwide. And second, let's connect PayPal and Shopify payments. We need to get paid somehow. Now is the fun part. Let's connect Gelato and start adding products. A huge thank you to Gelato for sponsoring this video. It means a lot when a company sees the value in my videos, especially ones that take 50+ hours to create. I picked Gelato because of their Plus subscription, which allows us to add all sorts of products and mock-ups to our store, and way more. It also gives us access to Getty Images and Shutterstock, all for $11.58 a month, which is significantly less than if we were to sign up directly for Shutterstock and Getty Images and other platforms that make up for all the features you get with Gelato Plus separately. We're nearly done, but we have one problem. Our store is empty. Let's add some products. Remember, with this kind of store, I'm looking to add between 30 and 50 products. This whole process took me 2 hours, which isn't crazy at all. I still need to add custom descriptions and titles, which will probably take a further 2 to 3 hours. but that's not bad. We're nearly done, but the site's still looking really ugly. We need some banners and some artwork around the store. It just needs to look like a proper website rather than an ugly store. I also want to connect 2 main Shopify plugins. One to get reviews from people and one to send out emails if people abandon their carts. And that's it. We're live. The site is all done. The links to sign up to Gelato and Shopify are below. We now need to test the checkout, make sure it all goes through, and maybe get a couple of final thoughts from a friend. Creating a test order is really simple. Open private browsing and make an order. Done. And now is when it gets fun. Mark your calendars and start your countdowns. Thursday, the 13th of October, will be the final reveal. After 8 days of marketing and creating viral posts with a new method, how many sales will come? If any, lots of sales will come. Don't worry. If you happen to be watching this video after the 13th of October, then check out part 2 over here.